Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. Today I am preparing green juice. It's good for your health. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel for more videos. So let's start. One green apple and one half lemon. This is Australian cucumber and parsley and green kale. I hope you never seen this one, but this is good for health. And this is celery. I'm going to take 2 pieces celery. I take 2 pieces. And kale I'm taking 2. I'm taking half parsley, half cucumber, use only stem, throw the all leaves, cut the bottom part, that's all. Everything is ready. Let's prepare the juice. So I cut all the vegetables. So I'm adding half ginger piece, just add everything into the jar. This green apple and cucumber, kale and celery, everything in the jar. I'm using fresh ginger with the skin. Anyway, we're going to strain, right? So add lemon. So I'm adding very little water. Just blend it nicely. Then just strain it. That's all. The green juice is ready. If you like my video, please do like my video and do subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And I'm going to drink this green juice. Wow. That's all. Share with your friends and family. Until then, bye. Thanks for watching.